For the last question in Try It number 2, it's once again one of those images that really needs a combination of tools. We can start with select and mask, but because of the white shirt and the white background, it's going to be a little harder to select that, and that's when we'll clean it up with the pen tool. So I'm in my Smart Object. I'll go up to Select, Select and Mask. Again, let me make my brush a little bigger so it doesn't take quite as long. Clicking and dragging, trying to isolate. See, it really didn't do a good job on the hands. Soccer ball did a pretty good job. All right, and again, once again, as I'm trying to fix this white area, it's deleting into his. I could spend forever trying to make that perfect, but instead, I have the pen tool for perfection. So I'm going to go to change it back to a couple things. Again, I could use the layer mask. Well, yeah, I'll do that. I'll say layer mask, and I'm still going to use my pen tool, but then I'll use my pen tool to make a selection, and then I'll fill that selection with black in my layer mask. Okay? So start with my pen tool. Make sure your pen tool is set to path mode. There you go. Quick, simple path, cleanup path, I guess you could call it. And then I'll just paint black or Option Delete to fill that. Command D to deselect. One more time for the inside of the arm. And what's nice about this technique is you don't have to hear me talk quite as much while I'm pen tooling because I'm just doing an area. All right, get around the inside of the fingers. Fix a few things here that I was sloppy with. All right. Command click. Again, notice it overwrote my last one, but that's okay. And in this case, I'm going to hold down Option Delete, and it filled it with my foreground color. Now, if your foreground color was something else, just make it black, and then you're good. Okay? And one more down here, pen tool. There you go. Command click, and Option Delete. Fill with black. Again, black with my layer mask is transparent. Oh, we cannot continue without fixing this. And you can see once you get good with the hotkeys, this goes by really, really fast. Yeah, I made a quick selection. Command click. Option Delete. Oops. Forgot to make my selection. Option Delete. And you can see I'm missing the finger and also here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my pen tool to go ahead and make a nice curve for this arm. As well as around these fingers, just so I can kind of restore. Let's build this pinky back. All right. And well, actually, you know, that top of that hand doesn't look so good either. So I'll just kind of reform it. And I ran out of battery. Damn it.